this is Shannon from Willow, and I'm so excited to announce Willow 2.0. We've been out for a year, and we are 20,000 moms strong. What makes Willow special is we have technology unlike any other breast pump on the market, because Willow latches continuously, similar to a baby. That means that it gives you unique, spill-proof mobility. And what that means is when you wear Willow, you can bend all the way forward and lay all the way flat on your back. That's something that no other breast pump out there can do. I want to make this really real. We have an OBGYN, Sharon, who has delivered babies wearing Willow. You can't tell her not to lean back. So,
where was the product developed?
Mountain View, California.
And where will it be available?
It's available now on our website. Willow 2.0 ships in February. It's $499.99 at willowpump.com, and that comes with an introductory offer of 48 extra milk bags for a total of 72 milk bags.
Will people be able to get it on Amazon?
Nope, willowpump.com. And you can see we have this really clear flange, and it's going to have a quick snap closure with the pump. Ready? Now mom can pump in any position. And the milk goes straight into this, you pump and store in this spill-proof bag. You can turn it completely upside down, put it directly into the fridge or freezer, and go on your way. Willow only has 2 parts to clean, and they're both dishwasher safe. So it's really a game changer. We're so excited to be out there helping moms and making them so they don't have to choose between pumping and the rest of their life.